Get ready to make the most flavourful and tender mutton that will steal the show at your dining table. Let's get to cooking this delicious recipe. Take mutton and marinate it with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coarsely crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon all herbs, 3 tablespoons yoghurt. Mix everything well and let it rest for 30 minutes to absorb the flavours. Heat half a cup of olive oil in a wok. Add the following whole spices and let them sizzle for a few seconds to release their aroma. Cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Add sliced onions as per serving size to the wok. And sauté until golden brown. Add the marinated mutton to the wok. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. Add 3 chopped tomatoes to the mixture. Mix well, pour in 1½ glasses of warm water and cover the wok. Cook on low flame for 30 to 45 minutes until the mutton is tender and fully cooked. Add some fresh red chilies and 4 to 5 green chilies for an extra kick. Stir in 1 teaspoon of organic butter for a rich, creamy finish. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and julienne and ginger. Serve hot with naan or roti and enjoy your delicious, aromatic mutton. Your perfectly cooked mutton is now ready to impress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes that bring the magic of flavours to your kitchen.